Hi everyone. It's a powerful punch that our Viking Punch lands. The 117 cubic inches engine with 1,923 cubic centimeters and 103 horses has taken the lead in the MILWAUKEE-EIGHT series, only surpassed by the new 121 cubic inches CVOs, but they are currently in a completely different league. The 2023 Breakout has a classic telescopic fork. At the customer's request, we have combined the elongated frame of the Breakout with the sporty upside-down fork of the FXDR. This does not immediately turn the Breakout into a cornering predator, but it is more agile to control. The upside-down fork reduces the unsprung masses, which means that it reacts more sensitively to steering movements. And in this combination, the bike will also respond more quickly to deceleration requests. With the sporty upside-down fork, it also has 2 disc brakes at the front. Of course, that's not all. Of course, our customer also wanted big wheels in his dream bike. We turned the original Breakout dimensions of 21 inches at the front and 18 inches at the rear into an impressive 23 inches at the front and 21 inches at the rear. We are particularly pleased that we were once again able to unpack our Vegas Trailed, a super cool 5-spoke wheel design that is a real eye-catcher thanks to the 4 bicolor cut holes per spoke. Incidentally, we have continued the design on the lids and covers on the engine and clutch so that the appearance remains consistent. The welded-on steel fender and the front spoiler also fit together in one piece in the literal sense. The smooth 15 liters aluminum stretch tank in subtle cruise paint makes the bike look even flatter. We don't really need to say anything more about the single-sided swingarm kit with perimeter brake. It simply belongs to a bike that rolls along on a big foot. Technically, it remains fascinating, and the show effect is guaranteed. We could call what we have put together for this bike a composition. It offers appealing equipment, which is interesting for connoisseurs that know about their bikes. But the driving spirit of the FXDR and the powerful 117cc engine of the new Breakout demand a more powerful name. That's why we think it's a powerful punch that we're sending out the name Viking Punch into the world from the north of the Lower Rhine. Thanks for watching.